Good morning, smart scholars. Welcome to another episode of Fast Math Solution with Mr. Shadi. So, today we'll be learning about standard forms of numbers. Standard forms, usually call it scientific notation. So, how do we express numbers in the standard forms? And how do we also convert the standard form back to ordinary form? Or when you are given the ordinary number, how to put it in scientific notation or standard form, and how to also convert from standard form back to ordinary form. So, a quick one. The standard form of a number is a way of representing or writing a number in a form that follows a certain rule, which is a times 10 raised to the power n, where a is a number from 1 to 10, and n could be positive or negative. It could be positive or negative whole numbers. Example here, we have 2 times 10 raised to the power of 3. We have 3.5 times 10 raised to the power of minus 5. So let's look at some examples here to further explain what we're talking about. So when you are told to express a given value or numbers in standard form, it has to be in this form, a times 10 raised to the power n, just as it's been established in the definition. So for example now, number 1, or the first one, where we have 7,000. Now, to express this in scientific notation or standard form, you start from the back, where the number is, and we count to the left. We count to the left before the first significant figure. Our target is where we have the first significant figure. So we count 1, 2, 3, and we stop. Before you get to the first significant figure, which is 7. So we stop. So this is 7 times 10 raised to the power of 3. Why? Because we moved 3 times to the left. So our power is going to be positive. So in the next video I'll be talking about numbers less than 1, where we have 0 point and all of that. But I hope this is clear. So if you do 7 times 10 raised to the power 3, this will give us 7,000, because this is 7 times 10 raised to the power 3 is 1,000, and this will give us 7,000. So I hope that is clear. So this is the answer in scientific notation. So the second one we have 6,500. So our target should always be, you move it to the left before the first significant figure. So when we move this, we have 1, 2, 3. We move 3 times. Before the first significant figure, you stop. And this will be what? 6.5 times 10 raised to the power of what? 10 raised to the power of 3. So our power will be positive because we are moving to the left. So we move to where we get to the point before the first significant figure, and we stop. So that is the rule. 1, 2, 3, we stop. So the C, we have 280 million. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So let's move from the back as usual. We move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We stop before we get to the first digit. So this will now be 2.8. We ignore other zeros. We ignore all the zeros. We take only the significant figures. 2.8 times. How many times do we move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 raised to the power of 8. And the D part, we have 720,000. So I'm supposed to leave this for us to do, but anyway, let's do it together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we stop before the first significant figure. So this will be 7.2, ignore the zeros, times 10 raised to the power of 5. And that gives us our answer in scientific notation. I hope this video is helpful, and I've been able to do justice to understanding standard form. So very quickly, we have another question here. expressing standard form back to ordinary form. Back to ordinary form. So let's do this quickly. The first one, how do we now express a scientific notation back to the ordinary form? Now, we notice that our power is positive here. So you bring down the number 4.3, this particular one. So since our power is 4, raised to the power of 4, we are moving forward this time around. It's not like that one that we move backward. That one is in the ordinary form already. We want to express that to standard form, but this is standard form already. We want to express back to ordinary form. So since our power is 4, so we are going to move forward 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in that case, you remove the point. We have 4, 3. Fill up the empty space with 0. 1, 2, 3. That is 3 zeros. And that's 43,000. So that is our answer for that. I hope that is clear. The second part, we have 5 times 10 raised to the power of 5. 10 raised to the power of 5 is 10, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 10 raised to the power of 5. And 10 raised to the power of 5 means we are going to have 5 zeros. And as such, 5 times 10 raised to the power of 5. If we express this, 5 times 1 is 5. Then we have 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have expressed this in ordinary form. If you want to express this back to scientific notation, we start from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 times 10 raised to the power of 5. We get this back. But in ordinary form, our answer will be 5 and then 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I hope that is clear. So the last one, which is 3.5 times 10 raised to the power of 3. Because the power is 3, we are going to move to the right 3 times. So we move 1, 2, 3. And that will be 3, 5, 0, 0. So that is our answer. And I hope this is clear and we have learned 1 or 2 things from this. Thank you and see you in the next